Meanwhile, a new effort could soon get underway in Congress to address the impacts of snowstorms on neighborhoods and communities in western New York and across the country. As senior reporter Eileen Buckley reports tonight, a local congressman is leading this charge.
FEMA's outdated guidelines and policies leave communities like ours out in the cold from federal dollars. And that should change.
Western New York Congressman Kennedy is ready to deliver his proposed Snow Act legislation to Congress. It would help our communities recover from extreme snowstorms by changing FEMA's policies for winter storms and treating them more like regions that suffer from hurricanes and tornadoes.
That's why my bill changes the rules to incorporate real damage, wind speed, wind chill, and takes into consideration the ability of communities like ours to respond to extreme winter storms without eviscerating our local budgets.
Extreme snow events repeatedly plague the western New York region, like Buffalo's devastating blizzard of 2022.
We all know how horrible it was, but it didn't qualify for FEMA assistance because of the snowstorm that fell a month before, in which nearly 7 feet of snow fell and was the record snow of history under FEMA standards.
That's why Erie County Executive Mark Polenkars and other local leaders are joining Kennedy, calling on FEMA to make changes.
FEMA has a real short rule: no dough for snow, because in their eyes, snow melts and communities can recover.
Local leaders in support of Kennedy's Snow Act, like Cheektowaga Town Supervisor Brian Nowak, pointed out it's getting too costly to dig out.
Having these costs covered by FEMA that municipalities take on, it's not just something as simple as getting a couple extra plows on the road.
Kennedy plans to introduce his bill next month at the start of Congress, but with a divided House, he's hoping for bipartisan support.
This is not a political issue, but this is an issue that impacts every single community. And quite frankly, many of the communities that will be impacted and benefit from this bill are represented by Republican members of the House of Representatives.
Eileen Buckley, 7 News.